I'm Sam.
I'm Macy.
From Gold Label.
What's up YouTube? We are bringing you back to the chrome ram install. As you guys know, I installed my chrome wrap about 4 months ago. Now I waited to bring you this video because I wanted to show you what it is a protected surface versus a non-protected surface specifically for chrome wraps, but know that this also applies to all painted vehicles and just normally wrapped vehicles. So there's one part of my ram that I have not wrapped, and just to let you know, it is peppered, but I did it for this video. We're gonna rewind you back right now to the installation of the paint protection film, and then we'll get to the review. So one door is done and one door isn't. I'm gonna try to make you guess. Which one do you think has PPF and which one do you think does not have PPF? Let's take a better look here. The reflection. So this one actually is the one that has the paint protection film on it, and I actually like the finish a lot better. If you can see, it's kind of more like a hazy finish on this door right here, while it's a lot clearer. See how much the green is a lot more vibrant in the paint protection film door? So this is amazing. Anybody that's ever had a chrome wrap vehicle, definitely paint protection film on top of it is the way to go. And your finish stays chrome. Awesome. So we live in Canada. Canadian winters are absolutely disgusting and hard on every vehicle that drives these roads. Now this is about 4 days. So I washed it on Wednesday. We're now Sunday. This is 4 days of grime and dirt. I just wanted to show you guys really what the impact pattern, I guess you could say, that happens on this truck right here. So as you can see, my wheels are just way past my fenders. So you get all the spits from the dirt and the rocks and the salt and everything, really, that goes to the mirror, to the doors, the rockers, like it just splatters, I mean, even up to the top of my window. So this is typically the kind of damage that I would receive from rocks and salts, which means like rock chips, pitting. So we're gonna do now, we're gonna wash it, we're gonna see what those areas look like, and we're gonna see if the paint protection film really did its job.
I think she was that.
was not protected by 3M paint protection film, and it was peppered by rocks. Like I said, this is 4 months of daily driving during the winter in Canada. As you can tell, the original color of my truck was white. If you want to see a video on everything that has to do with the chrome wrap, I'll link it down below. But if we look at the differences between the grille and the bumper, and even the hood, you can see that they are absolutely mint. So there is no rock chips whatsoever anywhere else on the truck except for the grille. Now if we go a bit deeper just in the chrome part, normal vinyl will chip similarly to paint, so it will just leave a chip. The difference with chrome is because it's a very thick material that's been laminated. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna keep chipping off, kind of like similar to paint or nail polish. So it does bigger damages. Usually when you have a vinyl wrap, your chip is not gonna look this big, it'll just be a speck. But because this is chrome, as you can tell, the chips just keep going and going and going. You remember this area was covered with dirt and mud and just splashed everywhere? And because this is fully protected, the whole truck is done. There is no rock chips whatsoever. We got none on the fenders, we got none on the doors, we got none on the rockers. So if a bumper is costing you $1,000 to replace in chrome, imagine how much a fender, a door, and rockers, and even your bed would cost you. That's a lot. Question time. So we asked you guys a couple questions on Facebook and Instagram. I have them here on my phone, but quickly, I want to say a big thank you to 3M for sponsoring this video. We are a 3M certified shop, and it's very important when you do shop for a paint protection film that you ensure that you are going to, one, a certified shop, and two, a shop that offers you warranty. When you go to a shop that is certified by 3M, and you can check them out on their website, all their certified shops are listed on a map close to your area. When you get your paint protection film, you get this warranty card. This warranty card, you fill it up online through the 3M website, and your car will be registered into the warranty program, which gives you 10 years warranty against bubbling, yellowing, fading, cracking, and installation defects. The advantage of them as well is, let's say now we live in Ottawa and I'm just a client and I decide to move to Toronto and something happens and my fender starts peeling. I can go to any certified 3M shop anywhere in the world and this warranty will be honored. Meaning I can move to Dubai with my truck. I can move to Vancouver with my truck. And anything that happens, I go to a 3M certified shop and everything will be fixed. So 3M comes in two different finishes. There is a gloss finish and a satin finish. Keep your car's color, but change your car's finish. So you can have a blue painted car, wrap it satin, and now it's satin blue. Or if you have a satin vinyl wrap, you can put that over and it will keep your satin finish. PPF is a 6 mil thick film that you can apply on painted or vinyl wrap vehicles, and it will protect them against impacts from rocks. Let's say you scrape against something, so scratches from UV fading. If you got a bird dropping on there on your roof and you have a 10-inch lifted truck and you can't see it for 2 weeks under the hot Texas sun, well guess what? Your paint will not be chemically etched by the bird poop. Another great benefit of paint protection film is that when you wash your vehicle with warm water or you leave it out in the sun, the scratches and swirl marks that would normally happen with washing any vehicle really will cure and disappear. So that keeps your vehicle looking mint, and we all love that as car enthusiasts. So this concludes my chrome purple paint protection film Ram truck video series. Remember, if you want a quote on your paint protection film, I'm just sliding off this hood. If you want a quote on your paint protection film, make sure to hit us up on our website, www.goldlabelautostyling.ca, or give us a call. We are certified 3M installers. We love you all. Gold Label fan forever. Peace out.